Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do something different. I have this deep edged canvas. It's 6 centimeters deep, and I will do kind of two wandering ring pours. I see something similar that I want to try in Tictus channel. So my paint is on the thick side. Maybe this will be better. Let's see. And I will use my pearl white. You know that I love it. So I will layer 2 cups with the same colors, and I will start with this phthalo blue, phthalo cyan blue. I will list the colors, all the colors, in the description box, as I used to do. And I will add this sky blue light next. It's 12 by 12 inch canvas, but because of those sides I need quite a bit of paint, I think. And let's add some pearl white, not much, just to get some nice effects maybe. And manganese phthalo blue. And I will add this yellowish green next. Oops, I hope that I will have enough for another cup. Okay. And let's add a little of pearl white again. Okay. And Pebeo iridescent green blue. I love these Pebeo iridescent paints. They are just gorgeous. And permanent blue violet. So I hope that I have quite similar cups, and I will do 2 wandering ring pours. Not ring pours, straight pours, jiggle pours, whatever you want to call it. I will jiggle. And maybe I went a little too much towards the edge, but let's see. And I will turn this around and do the same thing here. Even that you know that you can layer both cups the same, but you will never get the same result. Just hope that I have enough paint. And let's tilt this. Go over this side and over this side. Over here. So as I said, I already paint my sides, so I don't have so much to do. I will just try to add a little paint here where I think that I have to. I will just try to stretch this a little, maybe. That side. Okay. And I lost a lot of my purple. But I like it, so I will leave it because I like this stripes that I get. I will torch it a little bit because I have my pearl white, so I hope to get some effects out, maybe. I think that I had a little too much paint, but I kind of like this middle part. With this green, I just don't know. I just want to add a little more interest, don't want to be as straight. I think that this looks better now. I will stop working on my edges. I will do this later, and I will take you down for a close-up. So I will work a little on these edges. This one is beautiful already. And you see I get some nice underwater kind of look with this pearl. I love this part. See, goes all the way of the edge, and this is that iridescent one that it will maybe for the next time I will try to tilt these parts off and see if I can get some kind of a wave only. But I have to say that I'm happy with this, and I'm sure that it will dry really, really nice. So this is it for today. A little different, not a flower. So tell me what you think about this. Do you like it too? I have to say that I do. So see you on the next one. Bye.